Hello everyone. Have you ever understood every English word in a sentence, but still didn't understand what the speaker meant? That's because native speakers often use everyday expressions instead of textbook English. In today's lesson, you'll learn different common expressions that native speakers use every day, along with story. Let's get started. Lucky you. Meaning, you're fortunate. That's awesome. Meaning, that's great. Fair enough. Meaning, I understand your point. You nailed it. Meaning, you did it perfectly. Keep it up. Meaning, continue doing well. Fingers crossed. Meaning, I hope everything goes well. Long time no see. Meaning, I haven't seen you for a long time. My bad. Meaning, my mistake. It's up to you. Meaning, you decide. That's a good point. Meaning, I agree with your idea. Take your time. Meaning, don't hurry. Go for it. Meaning, do it. You bet. Meaning, of course. It depends. Meaning, the answer is different in different situations. That I have no idea. Meaning, I don't know. That makes sense. Meaning, I understand. Sounds good. Meaning, that's a good idea. I'm in. Meaning, I want to join. I'm out. Meaning, I don't want to join. Hang on. Meaning, wait a moment. Let's learn these expressions through a simple story. It was a Saturday morning. Sarah received a message from her friend, Ali. Ali. Hey Sarah. Long time no see. Sarah. I know. It's been months. Ali smiled. I won a free ticket to an English-speaking workshop. Sarah laughed. Lucky you. Ali replied. You can come with me if you want. Sarah's eyes lit up. Really? That's awesome. Ali asked, do you want to join? Sarah smiled. I'm in. Just then, their friend Ahmed arrived. Ali asked, Ahmed, are you coming with us? Ahmed shook his head. Sorry, I'm out. I have to visit my grandparents. Fair enough, Ali replied. Before leaving, Sarah looked slightly worried. What if I make mistakes while speaking English? Ali smiled and said, Go for it. Everyone makes mistakes. Sarah asked, Will people laugh at me? Ali answered, It depends. Some people might, but kind people will encourage you. Sarah nodded. That makes sense. When they arrived at the workshop, the teacher welcomed them. Today's activity is a short English presentation. Sarah became nervous. The teacher smiled. Take your time. There is no need to rush. Sarah whispered, I've never done this before. Ali smiled. Fingers crossed. You'll do great. When Sarah forgot a sentence, she paused. Oh, my bad. The teacher encouraged her to continue. Sarah completed her presentation. Everyone clapped. The teacher smiled and said, You nailed it. Sarah could hardly believe it. Really? The teacher laughed. You bet. Your pronunciation was clear, and your confidence was excellent. After the class, Ali asked, "Should we join the advanced English course next month?" Sarah smiled. "It's up to you. What do you think?" Ali replied, "I think we should. Practicing every week will help us improve." Sarah nodded. "That's a good point." Just then, the organizer announced, "We're taking a group photo." Ali looked at Sarah. "Hang on. Let me fix my jacket." Everyone laughed. The photo was taken. As they were leaving, the teacher said, "You've both improved so much. Keep it up." Sarah smiled happily. She realized that learning English is not about being perfect. It is about having the courage to keep speaking and improving. Learning English is not about avoiding mistakes. It is about speaking, learning, and improving consistently. Every conversation helps you become more confident. You have just learned everyday English expressions through a simple story. Now try using these expressions in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural your English will become. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to English with Stories, and I will see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!